Hi everyone. It is possible that you might frequently get encountered the Facebook Messenger failed to fetch video data error. Well, this error occurs if the local cache data get corrupted, or you've recently changed your sub-assistant account password. If you are also bothered due to Facebook Messenger failing to fetch video data error, then you have landed in the red heaven. Make sure to do not skip any of the methods we have mentioned below in this article. Method 1. Restart your device. To fix this kind of thing, we need to reboot our system first. First, go and reboot your device. Method 2. Turn on Facebook and Messenger under mobile data. First of all, you require to navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, click on the Cellular option and turn cellular data on or off for the Facebook and Messenger app. Method 3. Update both Messenger and Facebook app. Open your App Store. Then, search for Facebook and tap on it. Then, if an update button appears instead of opening, hit the update button and wait for some time. You can do the same with the Messenger app. Method 4. Reset network settings. Initially, navigate to the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on the General option. After that, hit the Reset button followed by Reset Network Settings. Method 5. Update your iPhone to latest version of iOS. Many users reported that updating their phone to the latest version of the software available for their phone helped them fix this issue. So, why not you try this out? There's a chance that your smartphone may have any pending software update, or you are still not updating it to the latest version.